Hey everyone, I have export tricks to keep your short videos looking punchy and crisp on every platform. If your vertical clips upload soft and washed out, this simple workflow will fix that common problem right now. Plus, I will show you a smarter way to scale this process without manually tweaking every single file. Let's jump into the editor to see the exact comparison setup we need to run right now. I shot this in 4K, and we are creating two versions, the standard H.264 MP4 versus my detail retaining option. First, set your project timeline to vertical HD, which is a safe 1080 by 1920 pixels for all phones. Then you just center your 4K footage nicely inside that vertical frame guide so nothing important gets cut off. For the first file, we stick to the recommendation H.264 MP4 capped around 8,000 kilobits per second. Now for my preferred version, which starts by applying a gentle touch of sharpening before we export. This subtle enhancement counteracts platform softening, bringing back texture that would otherwise be lost during upload. For the better result, switch your export wrapper to QuickTime and use the H.265 codec instead. I push the quality slightly higher, restrict the bitrate near 12,000 kilobits, and select a Main10 profile. That 10-bit container holds significantly more color data, allowing it to survive platform compression much better. After testing both on my phone, the H.264 is clearly softer, while the H.265 keeps fine details looking very sharp. The manual win is to shoot high res, pre-sharpen slightly, and use H.265 Main10 whenever possible. However, nobody wants to manually adjust settings for dozens of clips weekly, which is where automation truly helps. Automation finds the best moments, prepares the shorts, and auto-schedules everything so you can focus on creating. That hybrid approach, auto-cutting for speed and a quick manual polish for presentation, delivers the absolute best result. Test the H.265 versus MP4 yourself, and you will instantly see the superior texture retention. Like, subscribe, and ask me your export questions.